People who follow Jason Hartman's Creating Wealth show know how much he likes student housing investment opportunities. Communities with a large transient population, such as college towns, are frequently a boon for investors, since the relatively low percentage of people buying houses keeps prices stable, and the movement of people in and out of the town frequently makes it easy to maintain high occupancy levels and often generates healthy rents that generate attractive cash flows. Columbia is the state capital and the largest city in the U.S. state of South Carolina. The population was 116,278 according to the 2000 census. 2008 population estimates put the city at 127,029. The city's name comes from a poetic synonym for America, derived from the name of Christopher Columbus.
Located just 13 miles northwest of South Carolina's geographic center, Columbia is the primary city of the Midlands region of South Carolina, which comprises several counties in the central portion of the state. As such, it is centrally located to the rest of the state. Founded in 1786 as the site of South Carolina's new capital city, it was one of the first planned cities in the United States. The area is often cited for its high quality of life offerings, with its many cultural amenities, parks, and recreational features. At the confluence of two major rivers, Columbia is one of the best destinations in the country for kayak and canoe enthusiasts. It is also known for its large number of independent theater groups.
Columbia was recently one of 30 communities named America's Most Livable Communities. The award was given by the Washington-based nonprofit Partners for Livable Communities and honors communities that are developing themselves in the creative economy. Columbia has also been named a top mid-sized market for relocating families in the nation. Increasingly, Columbia is becoming recognized as an ideal city for retirees. Where to Retire magazine listed Columbia as one of its 25 best choices for retirement as a budget town in its January-February 2007 edition. A RetireHomesmart.com survey of retirement cities lists Columbia as America's second best retirement city. The 1990s and early 2000s also saw revitalization in the downtown area. The Congaree Vista District along Gervais Street, once known as a warehouse district, became a thriving district of art galleries, shops, and restaurants. The Colonial Life area, formerly known as the Carolina Center, opened in 2002 and brought several big-name concerts and shows to Columbia. The Columbia Metropolitan Convention Center opened in 2004, and a new convention center hotel opened in September 2007. Several residential developments are also in the works for the Vista.
In addition to being the capital city of South Carolina, Columbia is the home to Fort Jackson, the largest military training facility in the United States. There is a large multiplier effect to the economy from this facility, since there are many support services that are necessary for a military facility the size of Fort Jackson. In addition to this, there is a large population of people in Columbia who rent their housing due to the high student population, and the large turnaround of people contracting for the government and military. This has contributed to a very steady housing market. Columbia did not experience the same rapid price spikes as other markets and is also not experiencing a large decline. This makes Columbia an attractive place for investors that are looking for cash flow and stability.
Analysis of home sales in Columbia shows a slowdown in the beginning of 2009. But remarkable price stability. With prices staying stable through both up and down markets, it demonstrates the stability of Columbia, making it an excellent opportunity for investors. For more information, contact an investment counselor at jasonhartman.com.
In addition to the fact that 54% of Columbia's residents rent their homes, the age distribution is very heavily skewed toward younger people. This is reflective of a large student population, which tends to be very transient in nature. This provides further evidence of Columbia's strength as an investment market, since student housing frequently provides attractive cash flow for the owner of the property.
Columbia is home to the main campus of the University of South Carolina, which was chartered in 1801 as South Carolina College and in 1906 as the University of South Carolina. The university has 350 degree programs and enrolls more than 27,500 students throughout 15 degree-granting colleges and schools. It is an urban university located in downtown Columbia. The Carnegie Foundation for the Advancement of Teaching has designated the university a research institution of, quote, very high research activity, end quote. The school also has a world-renowned international business program, ranking number 1 in the nation for its undergraduate international business program and number 2 for its graduate international business program in the 2006 U.S. News & World Report College and Graduate School Guides. University of South Carolina's University 101 program is also frequently cited by U.S. News & World Report as one of the top programs of its kind in the nation. The university is also home to the nation's first National Science Foundation Industry and University Cooperative Research Center for fuel cells. In addition to the University of South Carolina, there are many other colleges and universities, such as Columbia College, Allen University, Midlands Technical, Columbia International Bible College, and Benedict's College. The vast diversity of education opportunities in Columbia make it a very strong college town with tremendous opportunities for investors.
Columbia enjoys a diversified economy, with the major employers in the area being South Carolina State Government, the Palmetto Health Hospital System, Blue Cross Blue Shield of South Carolina, Palmetto GBA, and the University of South Carolina. Columbia is also home to the headquarters of SCANA, a Fortune 500 company which supplies energy to parts of the Carolinas and Georgia. Other major employers in the Columbia area include Fort Jackson, Richland School District 1, Humana TRICARE, and the United Parcel Service, which operates its southeastern regional hub at the Columbia Metropolitan Airport. Major manufacturers such as Square D, CMC Steel, Spirax Sarco, Michelin, International Paper, Pirelli Cables, Honeywell, and Westinghouse Electric. There are over 70 foreign-affiliated companies and 14 Fortune 500 companies in the region.
There are many characteristics about Columbia that make it an attractive nexus for real estate investment. In addition to being the state capital, Columbia is also home to Fort Jackson and a sizable college population that creates a steady housing market. Columbia has been evaluated as America's most livable city and the top mid-sized for relocating families. The gross domestic product, or GDP, of the Columbia Metropolitan Statistical Area as of 2005 was $26.3 billion, the highest in the state. For more information, contact an investment counselor at jasonhartman.com.
In addition to the 50,000 recruits that are annually trained at Fort Jackson, there is a vast network of facilities and personnel that supports the training operations. Fort Jackson plays host to 3,900 active duty and 5,200 civilian employees. There are also 36,000 retirees that are serviced by Fort Jackson, along with multiple other support services.
One of the unique aspects of student housing is that it frequently produces higher rents than traditional rental housing because it can be rented by the room instead of renting out an entire house. The total rent collected for all of the rooms in a house frequently exceeds the price that the house would be rented out for all at once. This provides excellent opportunities for investors to capture exceptional cash flows on their investment.
If you are interested in the investment opportunities available with the Columbia market, contact your investment counselor for a one-on-one consultation. In addition to the investment properties, ask your counselor about our coaching programs, where they will work alongside you to develop a holistic strategy that merges attractive investments, solid financial planning, exceptional education, and a strong focus on personal values to help you achieve your goals now and into the future. We are ready to help you realize the success that you have dreamed of. Are you ready to take the next step?
In addition to the opportunities available within the Columbia market, there are many other local real estate markets that have been identified by Platinum Properties Investor Network as attractive options for investors. Your investment counselor will be able to help you find the ideal opportunity for your specific situation and is available for strategic coaching. By merging exceptional investments with intelligent advice and a superior strategy, there is no limit to what you can accomplish.